Hey, May. It's okay. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's about 6:45 right now. I'm leaving to go see Zachary and Samantha's house for the first time up in Silver Bay, Minnesota, and bringing their cat May back to them. If you guys watched my trip on Northern Seclusion Channel, coming up from Louisiana and grabbing Brandon's cat, I had to put up with the meowing cat for just about 7 hours. This trip here should only take about an hour and a half. I was texting with my dad this morning, who was up to their cabin for like 4 or 5 days, and the bugs have been really bad up here, and they were really bad up there at the cabin. But this morning, it's 48 degrees here right now, and where my mom and dad live, which is probably 2 hours and 15 or 20 minutes south of here, it's already 74. And it's supposed to get up close to 90 down there, and up here it's only supposed to get to 74. All of this fog is caused because the wind is coming off of Lake Superior, and Lake Superior waters right now are probably still in the 30s. So we've got that coming off the lake, and it's running into the warm air that's south, and we're getting this fog. Is really thick. We're at the top of the hill in Duluth, about to drop down. Driving in the fog is like driving on ice. You get there when you get there. Just like that, the fog starts to lift. Coming down the hill into Duluth now, about halfway down. This coming weekend is Grandma's Marathon, and right now we're down on the bottom of the hill. We're in Duluth, skirting along Lake Superior, and you would not want to be anywhere in Duluth or up in Two Harbors, which we'll go through also, at all this weekend. It's going to be packed with people. I imagine this year it's going to be even worse with all this road construction. They've tore out all of these bridges. This whole area was called the Can of Worms because the bridges just crisscrossed. And now they tore them all down, and they're on this multi-year project to do new ones. I don't even know what it's going to look like, but they've been working at this for well over a year already. Driving past the Glen Sheen Mansion right now. During Grandma's Marathon, all the runners will be coming right down through this area. Lake Superior looks a little nasty today. Two harbors, 28 miles to Silver Bay. You have a lot of resorts and some campgrounds and everything because this is 61 north. And so we're skirting. I mean, Lake Superior is just right there. And of course, it's Minnesota in the summertime. Road construction everywhere. Castle Danger. Crossing over the Gooseberry River, or by Gooseberry Falls. Split Rock Lighthouse. Coming up on the town of Beaver Bay. Roads are as bad here as they are in Arkansas. 3 miles to Silver Bay, 100 miles to the Canadian border. Coming into Silver Bay right now. No idea where Zachary and Samantha live. I don't have their address, but there's this one really pretty spot that I know of up here, and they can walk to it from their house. Well, it would be a bit of a walk for them, but that is so pretty. I haven't shown that to Melissa yet, and I want to show that to her this summer. I want to walk over. There's an overlook, so you look down on it. I think it'd be pretty neat. We're almost there, May. Hang in there. I was at Zach, Sam, and Rose's for about 3 hours. Looked at the whole house. We want to, you know, put new windows in and eventually put new siding on it, but we got to go through everything, and it's going to be a nice little house. I mean, it's up where they want to be here. I mean, walk to Lake Superior. I mean, they really did want that. I did not show inside the house because Zachary's doing a whole video on that, so then that'll go up on Joe and Zach here, so you'll see it eventually. And now I'll head back to the farmhouse where it's supposed to be 74 degrees. I have my stocking cap and my jacket on right now here. That wind is coming right off the lake. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Short little trip up to see Zach and Sam's new place. Still only 57 degrees here. I looked up where my mom and dad live. It's 90 degrees right now and the feels like it's 97. And I also looked up Moose Lake, which is only about 20 minutes south of here, and I believe it was already 90 degrees there also. And here we are sitting at 57. I will see you guys on the next video.